Hi, this is Untitled Parts Pro. Today with 2021 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6765. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2022. It has a CSHA 2-litre twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a CSHA 2-litre twin-turbo diesel turbo engine. Left-hand door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, left-hand tail light, rear tailgate 2 dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,